Hi guys, today in this video we are going to be making a Swedish tradition chicken korv, chicken sausage, here in the skogen, here in the forest. And we're here in this beautiful granite cave that you can see, and we're starting over there, all the way to here, which is beautiful. And today, well, we're going to be making chicken korv. And how are we going to be making that? Well, we'll first need to make the fire. We'll first need to make a pyramid-shaped log structure so that then we can light it on fire. So let's take our logs. I'm gonna get closer. We want to put it in the middle here, in the middle of these logs. I'm gonna try to make a triangular shape here first. It's pretty hard to stack them up, but let's try it. There. Now we want to make like a small pyramid. So we want to put one there. We want to go one around here. And then like just, oh shoot. Okay, now we'll just want to put some in between there. Let's take that. To really put a lot of wood so that it can really burn well, so that we can have some really nice cooked sausages. And we are done. So here guys, we're going to be using these skewers while we're making our fire. We're going to be putting our sausages on these skewers here, like when we do it with grilled marshmallows, and when we want to grill them here, we put them on skewers. Yeah. Without further ado guys, let's burn our firewood. Okay, so we'll want to put some fire here on the white stuff that we put, because today it's pretty windy, so we'll be using some fire starters. We don't really need it every single time. Actually, we don't really need it when making a fire, but we're just going to use it today because it's pretty windy outside. And it has a lot of chemicals, so it's really going to help us burn the firewood here. It's really going to help us grill the sausage very nicely. Shut up. Very hard here. Let's try there. Okay, so now we started to burn our firewood, and it's pretty nice. So I'm really excited to be able to feast on our chicken korv, which I'm going to be showing you how to make right after we're able to make this wooden charcoal. All right, just right over that. So now let's wait until it becomes charcoal. Yeah, now we're really trying to grill the sausage there. It's pretty nice. Mine's almost done. Just give it a blackish color. Now I think my sausage is ready. You can see it looks cooked. It's not light brown, it's more dark brownish. So now let's take our bun, our bread. Here we have a nice bread bun. Let's open it there. Let's put a sausage skewer in here. Let's put a skewer in here, which has a sausage on it. And let's pull a skewer out of it. And here we have our iconic Swedish meal, the chicken korv. And of course, if you want, guys, we can add ketchup or even mustard. But I just like my chicken korv plain. So let's begin. Mm. 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 Mm.